Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Free Fire 3rd anniversary is coming. Log in Free Fire on 23rd August with me to receive 1 in 26 characters, 50 free magic cube fragments and 1 awakening shard dropped after match. Join now.
Peace.